Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And in today's video, I will show you how to flip a region or flip the section of a video in Camtasia video editing software without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular video in the timeline right here, I'm going to use it as an example. This is a screen record video, and in some cases, when you are trying to do screen record, all of a sudden maybe a call enter or WhatsApp message or Facebook Messenger message or Instagram that might call distraction, you can freeze that part from the video, and then it's not going to affect the whole entire video clip. So for instance, I'm going to play this particular video right here. So I'm going to click on play head right here. Now, when you play the video, you find out that at this point here, something pop up from my screen right here. How can you freeze this part so that it will not affect the entire video and the process continue smoothly in Camtasia video editing software? Let me show you how. So for that, what we want to do here is to make sure we know the exact area where the distraction come up from the screen. So like from the point right here, so this is where it pop up. So we have to start from this point right here. And the next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and click on this icon to split. Then we have to continue with the play edge, just like so. Continue the play head. Now this is where it goes on. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and select the clip again, and then we want to make sure we come to the tool right here. We go ahead and click on split. Then I can expand the timeline right here, so we'll be able to see everything right here. Now we have this particular clip right here that has been affected, and we want to freeze it. So let's play the video again, so you can see the point where the pump up come up from my screen right here. Now, how do we fix this? What we want to do here is to go ahead, we go to Visual Effects tab right here on our key on our toolbar. Then get into Visual Effects tab. We want to make sure that we look for region freeze. For that, just scroll down right here until you get to freeze region right here. So go ahead and drag freeze region into the clip that have the effect, just like so. Once you drag it, then let's play the video. So the effect has been added, but we need to make sure we arrange and adjust where we want to freeze. For that, come to the preview right there and drag the effect, just like so. So you can see when I drag the effect, it take off the pump up, then still maintain the background and the screen of the video. So we can easily adjust. I can adjust from here now and here. Just like so. I can adjust from here or so, and then we are good to go. So just like so. So if I play the video now, you find out that the pump up is not appear on the video again, just like so, and it's as if nothing happened there. And actually something really happened, and because of the effect of the freeze region, that is where there is nothing to be noticed. So if I come to the effect property right here, if I disable it, you find out that the pump up is still appear. If I turn it on again, you find out that it's no longer here. And one more thing here is that freezing of a region in Camtasia can be inverted, as the case may be. Like for instance, if you want to freeze the entire screen, we want to leave the pump up. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and click on invert right here. So once we invert, then the pump up will appear where the screen will. So we go to switch back to freeze right here, and then turn off my freeze. Then you can work on the blend, you can work on the turnaround, you can also check on the opacity. You can turn down opacity. You can see when I turn down the opacity, it's reflected a little bit, but I have to make sure it is 100% opacity. Then you can check on this style. You can use rectangle or oval shape. This is depends on how the shape of that particular screen of that particular distraction that pump up on your screen will determine the kind of shape you are going to use. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.